Hi everyone and welcome to Mighty Kiddos. Today I want to share with you an app that you absolutely need to have in your phone right now if you're a parent or legal guardian of a child between the ages of 11 months to 30 months. And that app is called ASD App. It's a totally free app that's available at the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. It is available in 4 languages: English, Chinese, Slovak, and Spanish. This app is a credible, award-winning early autism detection tool that you have access to right now at a push of a button. Now, this tool is based on research done by Trobe University in Australia, and it has an 83% accuracy rate of detecting autism. Now, the reason why I'm making a video on this app, it's because autism evaluations can be very time-consuming, expensive, and for many parents unaccessible. So now if you have a tool that's completely free at your fingertips, it can help you get services right away for your child. Now, what I love about this app is that it's so easy to use. You create an account, then you have an ability to create multiple accounts for your children. It is specified in the app that only parents and legal guardians can use the app to provide information based on their children. Now, that's important because as part of the app, what you're doing is that as you're filling out the questionnaire, you're giving permission to the university to use this information for future and further research. Now, another thing I like about this app is that once you complete the evaluation, they will send you an email with all the information regarding your questionnaire, and it is recommended that you speak to your child's pediatrician regarding the findings and your concerns. Now, another thing that I like about this app is that it shows you, as you can see here, each area that they're going to ask you about, and before you ask the question, they also give you a video. You could see a video of a neurotypical child, demonstrating what eye contact looks like, for example, versus an autistic child, how he or she reacts with a stranger in the same situation.
He also doesn't make any eye contact with this wind-up toy. He instead focuses very closely on the toy.
The more transparent you are, the better and more accurate the results are going to be for you and your kiddo. So give this app a try if you are concerned that your child is autistic. I did it myself for baby Z, and I found it very helpful to just navigate, and this is why I'm really suggesting this application, because there's so many parents that are concerned about their kids being autistic and aren't getting them diagnosed until closer to 3 years old, some even after they turn 3 years old, and then they lose access to early intervention. Now, as an early interventionist, I highly encourage parents that I work with to download this app and do the evaluation or to do the questionnaire for their child, just to give them a better peace of mind and to just help them and support them as they go through the process of getting a formal evaluation. Now, if you have any questions regarding this app, don't hesitate to leave them down below. And once again, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.